Welcome to Ace Coil Coaters in Sydney. This is the site where Wolf Innovation has installed its first coating control system, and this is the site where that system has been fully evaluated and developed. Wolf Innovation is a new technology company based in Sydney, Australia that has developed an exciting new system for dynamic, real-time and reliable paint thickness measurement for use in industrial coating operations. The system is designed to optimize the efficiency of your coil coating operations by giving you such a precise level of measurement and control previously thought impossible to achieve. The result is to maximize the profitability of your paint line without compromising conformance to product quality specifications. You'll be able to realize these benefits with complete confidence and without the use of test strips or other inefficient methods. Wolf's coating control system incorporates 3 new instruments that work together to comprehensively monitor and control your painting operation. These include the wet film monitor that measures paint thickness on the coater head before you start painting. That gets you within specification right from the start of a production run. Then, as the product emerges from the cure oven, the dry film thickness monitor immediately confirms the actual measurement, allowing you to quickly and instantly fine-tune the thickness to very tight tolerances. The third instrument, which is very important to the system, is the paint volume solids instrument that allows conversion of the measured wet film thickness on the coater to the equivalent dry film build on the product. We're going to have a quick look at each of these 3 instruments in operation. The principle of operation for each of these instruments is simple and easy to understand, but translating those principles into practical solutions has taken considerable ingenuity. We've established a reference installation on a small commercial paint line in Sydney where the Wolf coating control system was developed and tested. This is available if you'd like to see this technology in action for yourself. Let's start with the wet film monitor. An intrinsically safe confocal sensor is positioned above the coater roll to precisely measure the wet film thickness. During coater setup, the flow of paint to the sensor is interrupted using a small doctor blade for a few seconds, allowing the sensor to measure, fully quantify and remember the rotational position of the uncoated surface of the coater roll. Then we remove the doctor blade and measure the position of the paint film on the roll. A sophisticated coater model and mathematical algorithms convert the measurements to a predicted dry film build. The system even takes account of transfer efficiency and paint volume solids. Once production commences, the paint is cured and emerges from the oven. The dry film monitor has a laser which cuts a very few tiny, almost indiscernible holes through the paint layer. The holes have been fully tested and do not impact on product performance. Immediately the depth of the tiny holes is measured and the readings are converted to a precise dry film thickness measurement. Measurements may be longitudinal or transverse across the strip. The whole system may be fully automated and the measurements can be either pre-programmed or made at the discretion of the operator. This provides the immediate opportunity to fine-tune the coating thickness, and changes as small as 0.2 micrometers or 0.01 mils or less can be tracked by the system. However, it is also important to know the paint's exact volume solids content. This has a major impact on line profitability, as we really need to accurately convert the measured wet film thickness to the equivalent dry film thickness and to achieve precise coater head setup. It also provides a quality control check that was previously unavailable to the industry. Wolf PVS-1 is the first instrument that quickly and reliably provides dependable paint volume solids data in the lab and in the factory. A single drop of paint taken from the coater room is spread into a paint bead using a small doctor blade. The wet paint film is scanned and its volume is measured with a precision sensor. The droplet is then cured in a small internal oven that simulates paint line curing. After about a minute, the dry film bead is rescanned and its dry volume is measured. At the conclusion of the volume measurement, the software uses sophisticated algorithms to extract the volume data from the scans and to calculate paint volume solids. The Wolf Innovation coating control system is the first practical and accurate real-time system to measure and control your paint application and usage that does not care about paint or substrate type. It operates reliably under tough industrial conditions at high line speed. Come and talk to us about how you can gain a significant competitive advantage, improve your efficiency and bottom line profit whilst ensuring the highest quality standards are maintained. And you can do that without test strips or other inefficient methods of measuring film thickness. Wolf Coating Control System, set to become a new standard in the coil coating and paint manufacturing and industrial finishing industries.